right, done with inflation. We're moving on to the next thing, which is how to connect each of the 5 air bladders using the foam core to the loops that I showed you earlier. It's a simple process. We'll get into why it's important as we're doing it. So, go back to this zipper that we zipped up earlier, and we're gonna take it back. You only have to do this when you change the bladders for some reason or another. Once it's been set up, you just roll this thing up. I'll show you how to store the thing at the end too, so you'll see what I mean. This doesn't have to happen on every job, is my point. Okay, here you go. So we are back to our foam cores, right? We are going to just tidy up this roll a little bit so that the foam cores protrude. Then we're going to take these elastic loops and we're going to feed the foam core into them, okay? Now these are really cool, these loops, because they hold it tightly enough so that these won't drop to the bottom of the chamber if you intentionally or otherwise lose pressure in the bladder. However, if you need to do a field repair, you can actually pull on the bladder. We'll show you that as well, and it'll actually come down. I'm gonna do this the rest of the time for all 5 bladders, and we're gonna come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, they're all ready. You can see they're all attached to the loops. Now we're just gonna do the same thing we did last time and reattach this one zipper. And this will complete the setup of your Nexus. It is now ready to be inflated. It's up to you now to decide whether you need an edge seal on this one. We'll show you that in a second. Or whether you're gonna need to connect it to another Nexus or a dust curtain. All things we're gonna talk to you about later. But point is, this thing's ready to inflate. We're gonna do that next.